welcome to Sarah's Stamping Retreat. Today I'm going to give you a sneak peek into the May Club kits, and I love these ones. They've got kind of a tropical wild vibe to them and they're just really gorgeous. So for the last few months my favourite club of the month has been the stitching day of the month, but this month the small day of the month has pipped it to the post because it's these gorgeous cute little birds with some little flowers and foliage. So you get all the pieces to create the birds, and I've not cut this yet, but it looks like you can replace the bird's beak. So you can either have this stripy beak or you can have this one that's kind of got the smile on it. So that's really cute. And then you've got all this foliage as well. I literally can't wait to have a go with that. I've not been organised enough to make a card with this just yet, but there will be one coming up over the next 2 weeks. So then next I've got this Stamp and Die of the Month, and you can see we've got this gorgeous kind of flamingo and little parrot and foliage. We've got this little parrot and foliage. We've got hello, thanks, let's get together soon, and I am tickled pink, and there's the dies for all of those. But these dies just cut the side, so they're kind of designed to go on the sides of your cards, and you can see that I've done exactly that here. So this is one of the cards we'll be making this week in my videos. I absolutely love it. It's a wrap over card and it's just so cute, and it just made me really excited about this stamp set. And then while we're looking at this card, let's have a look at this month's embossing folders, because this is the embossing folder of the month for May. You can see that in the background here, and I think that's really nice because you can kind of look at it as like bricks, as a lattice, just a general pattern. So it's a really nice, useful one. And then this is the 3D embossing folder of the month. It's these gorgeous 3D leaves, and I love this month's embossing folders so much that I'm going to have a special video that has them as the focus. So then let's take a look at this month's wax seal of the month, and it's a lovely set of leaves, and you also get this green matcha set of wax beads. And mine's just a sample because I get sent these by Spellbinders, so mine just came like that, but they do come like this. You will get yours like this, so it will have the handle on it when it comes, and it will come in the nice packaging. And I love that every month in this wax seal of the month club, you not only get the wax seal but also the beads, so you can build up your stash of different coloured beads as well. So then this month's Glimmer of the Month kit is this gorgeous large flower, and it comes with fuchsia flower foil, and then it also has the sentiments sending best wishes and thinking of you with the coordinating dies. So that's really lovely because it's a real focus point on your card. And then if you get the whole caboodle this month, I believe there are 2 free gifts with this month, and this is one of them. So the caboodle is when you buy all of the kits for the month, and it is a massive discount. I actually worked out that even if you're just going to get the most expensive 5 kits, it's cheaper to get the caboodle, and there's 10 kits in total. So the caboodle is cheaper than the most expensive 5 kits, and you get 2 free gifts. So it's really good value if you're wanting a lot of the kits. And so one of the free gifts this month is this layered stencil set that you can use to colour in your large foil flower. So then for the stitching day of the month, we've got this cute pineapple. So I've not made a card with this yet, but I have cut all the pieces ready, so you can see how they layer up. So this and this cut the piece that goes behind, and that's the piece that you sew for all that added texture. Then this goes over the top, and then you've got the top bit and the leaves as well. I think that's really gorgeous. And also, as usual with these dies, this bit comes in 2 pieces, so you could put this into the card and sew on the actual card itself, or you could do just a plain piece under here, or you could make this an aperture in the card. So there's lots of options with that. And then the final club of the month for this month is this Better Press of the month. And again, it's absolutely gorgeous with these cockatoos and all the foliage. I had so much fun making this card. I'll be releasing the video for that this week. And you get the press plate and then the separate Be Wild and Free on your birthday, so you can use the two together or separately. I absolutely love that. So that's all of the clubs that I have for this month. There is also a stencil of the month club and a large die of the month club. So if you get the caboodle, then you'll get those and the free gifts and everything I've just shown you. And I believe that that's $120 and £120, depending on which site you shop on. So amazing value for money. So I hope that you enjoyed having a sneak peek at this month's club kits with me. If you did, I'd really appreciate you clicking like below, and you can also press subscribe if you'd like to see future videos. If you press the bell button and select all, then YouTube will also notify you when I've got a new video available. All of the products that I've shown you today are listed in the description below, and there's also a link there to my blog where you can find a picture supply list if that helps you find what you're looking for. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope to see you again soon.